Hello, hello and welcome! Nasa road trip tayo, Manila tripping. And at the LRT2, meron tong interconnecting line with LRT1. So, from Recto Station of LRT2, ayan, dadaan lang tayo sa interconnecting bridge from LRT2 Recto to Doroteo Jose Station of LRT1. Exciting napaka-convenient mag-travel, lalo na't kung ang iyong trip ay puro train. So, thanks for the LRT na nagkakaroon sila ng ganitong interconnecting way to connect from one station to another. Ang ganda. It looks like we are in Singapore. Enjoy na enjoy kami maglakad kasama ang aking mga commuters, co-commuters, and co-tripping, road tripping. So, malapit na kami sa station ng Doroteo Jose. Hope you can discover this also. It's nice. Thank you and bye!